Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Venmo for premium reimbursements between family members, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap on Sign Up if you're a new user. If you already have an account, just log in with your credentials. Once logged in, set up your profile by providing your name, email, and phone number. Next, link your bank account or credit card for easy fund transfers. To do this, navigate to the Settings tab, then select Payment Methods. Choose Add Bank or Card and follow the prompts to connect your payment method. Ensure you have a Venmo balance for seamless transactions with family members. Now, add your family members as friends on Venmo for easier reimbursements. Tap on the search icon and enter their usernames, email addresses, or phone numbers. Once they appear, click Add Friend next to their profile. To request or send a premium reimbursement, go to the Pay or Request feature on the home screen. Select the family member you want to reimburse. Enter the amount you wish to send. In the What's It For section, specify the reason for the reimbursement. Tap Request or Pay based on your needs. Confirm the details and proceed with the transaction. Make sure to check the transaction history within the app to track reimbursements. Utilizing Venmo for premium reimbursements can ultimately simplify family financial interactions. Always prioritize security by verifying payment details before completing transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.